Hi, my name is Dan Doval. I'm an engineer at Derrick's in Ashland, Oregon, and the inventor of WorkSharp. Today I'd like to introduce to you the Belt Sharpening System for the WorkSharp 3000. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including a selection of belts, and this will help you sharpen knives, scissors, and other tools. It installs easily to your WorkSharp 3000 without the need for tools or any modifications. To get started, install the drive pulley that came with the kit in place of the knob. Tighten it finger tight. Install the bracket assembly all the way up into this T-slot. Tighten it finger tight. Push in and rotate the tensioner to lock in the open position. Then thread the belt around the pulley and the drive bearings. Rotate to release and set the tension for sharpening. The first thing we want to do before we install the guide or sharpening knives is set the tracking. We'll use the tracking knob. We'll turn it to raise and lower the belt to center the belt on the drive pulley. I brought in a selection of knives and tools today, and I'll walk you through sharpening a few of these. We'll start with the kitchen knife. Now we've got the belt track, so we can go ahead and install the guide and get started with sharpening. Push and rotate the tensioner to remove the belt. Line up the guide and install it. I'm going to set the angle between 15 and 20 degrees. I like a pretty sharp angled kitchen knife. And we'll start with a coarse grip belt the first time we sharpen a knife. Just release the tensioner. We're ready to go. We'll start with the face of the knife up against the long edges of the guide. We'll repeat that 5 times on that same side, and then we'll feel for a burr. You should feel a burr along the entire edge of the knife. Once you've raised the burr, go ahead and flip the knife, and we'll repeat on the other bevel. Repeat that 5 times and you're ready to move on to the next grid of belt. For the remaining belts, we're going to use the same stroke, but you're going to alternate the bevel between each stroke. I've installed the 6,000 grit belt, and we'll go ahead and finish this knife up. You'll repeat this for a total of 10 strokes, or 5 strokes per side, alternating between each stroke. Once you've done 10 strokes, your knife should be plenty sharp.